The funniest when I try not to be. Nature. Isn't nature beautiful? Isn't nature marvelous? Of course it is. Just look around. Look at all the beautiful leaves. It's not like we're killing nature, of course. Nope, not at all. It's not like we have greedy bastards in powerful positions using their power to profit. Nope, not at all.
Portraits of those who sit opposite. From the Hunter Valley, as the member for Hunter would know. It's coal that has ensured for over 100 years.
Oh, look at that. A tiny little koala. Hello there, Mr. Koala. How was your day?
Make the force of burning. We are all burning. The world is burning. We need help.
Oh, how delightful. Aren't people so nice? We care so much about the environment. We love it with a burning passion. Just look at the news.